So guys, I'm making this video because gusto ko lang ulit mag-start mag-YouTube. And finally, I've decided na seryosohin ulit siya. Because I've procrastinated for the longest time kung seryosohin ko ba siya or hindi. Kasi ang dami kong travels and sayang hindi ko na ma-maximize. Diba? Over the past 3 years, nung nag-subside yung pandemya, dami kong travel and hindi ko siya na-document. I started last year posting on TikTok kasi it's the easier way to edit. Mas madali mag-edit sa TikTok kaysa dito sa YouTube. And I found a renewed sense of parang myself ulit. Sarap mag-share. Diba? So, ngayon, seryosohin ko na ulit. And I'm gonna start now. So, I'm here in Fukuoka, in Japan, and I've tried filming as much as I could. There's no template here. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Basta alam ko lang, gusto ko lang mag-share. Bahala na. I don't know where this will lead to, but wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-share ulit. So, I am going to start posting the next few weeks and hopefully it turns out great. Magpo-post pa rin ako sa TikTok because masaya mag-post sa TikTok eh. So, I guess that's that. And welcome back to me. Welcome back to me on YouTube. I hope my current subscribers still remain subscribed and I hope I gain more subscribers. Siguro na-inspire kasi ako sa dami ng travel vlogs na mga napanood ko, like sila Ivan de Guzman, Marvin Samako, JM Banquisho, and sobrang idol. And I appreciate a lot of the effort they've put into travel vlogging. You know, it's a great way of sharing your experiences and at the same time enjoying yourself. I know it's a job for them. At least for me, ano lang to, mga chill lang tayo. Wala naman tayong gusto patunayan pa at this point. Gusto ko lang i-document kasi one way or another, lahat ng memories ko na to yung mawawala din eventually. Baka dementia runs in the blood, so makalimutan ko rin lahat to. So i-document ko na lang as much as I could, diba? So sorry, medyo may dumaan na sasakyan, but my policy for this run on YouTube na gagawin ko ulit is less editing as much as I could, kasi yung naging issue ko na lagi ako nagpo-procrastinate na hirap mag-edit, which is true, mahirap mag-edit, but at least I know a little basics kasi natuto naman ako nung nag-reaction videos ako dito sa YouTube back in 2020, 2021. Yung mga grupo ko noon, bros, shout out, they know na medyo mabilis ako mag-edit back then. Tipong yung show natapos ng 9:30, mga 9:45 may upload na ako. Ganong level dati. So paunahan usually kayo mag-upload dun. So hopefully ngayon kayanin ko. Ang ko ngayon, lahat ng videos na iniiwan ko sa camera for the purpose of posting lahat. So less editing as much as I could, try to make it as raw as possible. So yun, welcome back to me, welcome back to YouTube. So see you guys in the next few travels. Marami pa ako nakapila over the next few months, and I hope ma-enjoy nyo, and I hope you comment kung ano man yung mga feedback nyo. I am open to feedback, how I can improve, kasi medyo nakakahiya pa mag video in public. This is not my forte. Kaya sobrang saludo ako doon sa mga ibang mga vloggers katulad nila. Kasi may mga travel vloggers na ang daming chika sa labas. Sila Go with Mel. Hello po. yun, mega chika sila outside. So, ang galing. So, wala akong ganong klaseng confidence, unfortunately. So, sila Marvin, sila Ivan de Guzman, sobrang yung very outgoing, and pag nasa labas, kaya nila magsalita. Ako, hindi masyado. Which bumubulong pa si Bading. So, kailangan natin careful ng konti kasi di pa kaya ng confidence level ko. Eventually, siguro. Dito na nga lang ako sa Fukuoka nagkaroon ng confidence na ilabas yung camera. Kasi before, patago. Mas madali kasi mag-film pag TikTok. Kasi may iksi lang clips, ganyan. Pag yung mahaba ang vlogs na ganito, using ito, Osmo Pocket, kailangan mas intentional. So, yun, I'm open to receiving feedback. Oh my God, ang araw na. So, yun guys. Thank you. And I hope you watch my videos. Maraming salamat po.